In today's video, I'm going to show you how to resize tables in Obsidian. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open Obsidian on your computer and navigate to the vault that contains the note with the table you want to resize. If you don't already have a table in your notes, go ahead and create a simple one so you can follow along. Once you're in the right note, switch to Reading View by clicking the Reading View icon in the top right corner of the interface. Reading View gives you a fully rendered look at your table, which makes it much easier to see how the columns are currently behaving and to assess what adjustments you might need to make. Now, it's important to understand how Obsidian handles tables by default. Unlike spreadsheet software like Excel or Google Sheets, you cannot simply click and drag the borders of your columns to resize them. Obsidian automatically adjusts column widths based on the content inside each cell. So to control the width, you're actually going to control the content. The most straightforward way to resize a column is to adjust the length of the text inside it. Shorter text gives you narrower columns, and longer text pushes the column wider. If a column is getting too wide, simply edit the cell contents to be shorter and more concise. For a cleaner, more balanced table, try to keep similar information lengths within the same column. If you have a column for due dates, keep all the dates in a similar format and length. If a column feels too narrow, you can widen it by adding more descriptive text to the header or the cells. For example, changing a column header from status to project status will naturally make that entire column expand to fit the new text. Remember, the table responds to what you type, so you have full control through your words. If your table is still feeling cramped, you can resize the entire note pane itself. Simply hover your cursor over the border between note panes, then click and drag to make the pane wider or narrower. The table will automatically reflow and adjust to the new available space. For larger tables, consider using a split screen. Right-click the Note tab and select Split Right or Split Down. Then expand the new pane to give your table even more breathing room. Finally, collapse any unnecessary sidebars by clicking the left and right sidebar icons in the ribbon. This reclaims the full width of your screen for the table itself. And there you have it. You now know exactly how to resize tables in Obsidian by managing your content, using pane splits and collapsing sidebars. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.